Hi guys. So since morning, I've been looking for this quiet corner to reflect and to share my thoughts with you. I tried different places in the garden, tried to put up the chair in different ways, at different angles, but nothing worked. And then I just managed to create this quaint corner for myself. I put up an umbrella and I'm hiding under it. Uh, I had this magical experience recently and it helped me drive the blues away. So that's what I want to talk to you about this Thursday, how you can bring magic into your life and feel better even if you can't fix the things that are going wrong in your life. So yes, it's been raining heavily in Bangalore these last 2 days and दिल्ली की बिल्ली को walk करने से कोई रोक नहीं सकता. So I caught hold of my umbrella and my trekking waterproof boots and I stepped out into the rain. Who cares, right? So yes, I got drenched, man. The umbrella didn't help because it was so windy. You could get the rain falling on you from all directions, and I was soaked from head to toe. And about 40 minutes in my walk, I was like, why am I feeling wet in my feet? And the shoes had given way. सो दिल्ली की बिल्ली भीगी तो थी, भाग नहीं सकती थी, लेकिन अब जूते जूते फट गए, मेरी फट गई गाइस. Totally as I call it, life felt so pixelated because I was feeling so down and out at that time. Wanted to step out into the rain, be with the elements, let nature just lash out its fury on me. I was crying wildly, I was raving and ranting. I mean, it was a bit dark and people weren't there and there was nobody to see me or hear me, and I wanted to take that liberty to just be myself, be with nature, and just help something more connect with the misery that I was feeling. I wanted to wallow in self pity. I wanted to feel my misery the best, the most. And I did, man. My shoes gave away. And that moment, I was like, what worse could have happened? That one minuscule thing that I wanted to feel secure with in the moment of my vulnerability, just have a decent pair of shoes to keep me warm and safe, and that gave way. And guys, I guess this is what life is all about, right? Even when you try to put things in place for yourself, even when you try to secure yourself, life has its own way of telling you that if nothing has to work, nothing will. So what did Dilli Ki Billi do? I was feeling so miserable that I started laughing. I started laughing at my situation, and I think 5 seconds it took me, and I started feeling better because that's the energy that I can give myself, irrespective of whatever is happening outside or inside my system. I still have the energy to cope with the situation and not let myself go go down so badly that I cannot recover from it. So that's my magical moment, and why I call it magic is because it reminds me of that Harry Potter episode. You know the one where they're teaching them about bogarts and how to control the bogart. So the bogart is this being that takes the form and shape of something that you truly detest and that really scares the shit out of you. So yes, the only way to deal with the bogart is to swish your wand and to think of something really funny, and that entity that takes the form of what you fear the most suddenly acquires a very comical form, and it just sets you laughing. It changes the mood, and your bogart goes away. Your bogart doesn't hold any value anymore. Yes, so that was my magical moment. I may be able to fix the shoe. I'll buy another one. I may not be able to fix so many other things in my life, but yes, I can laugh my miseries away. I can mock at myself, right? Definitely, I can do that. So, this Thursday, what I want to tell you is please, please, please don't feel miserable. Please don't feel sorry for yourself. And if you do, laugh it away. And if you can't laugh it away, just have someone come and tickle you. And can you do that? So this Thursday, I'm wanting you to tickle your funny bone with all my heart.